What will you choose? New car or $50,000? 1 year vacation or dream house? True love or success and fame? Live in this haunted house or like this video? Pet that lives forever or never age? Sleep 2 hours and feel rested or eat anything without getting weight?